Hey friends, have you ever wondered what Apple's idea and philosophy were behind creating the iPad? It all started when Apple realized there was a gap between the iPhone and the MacBook. Phones were too small for certain tasks, and laptops weren't always light and convenient enough to use anywhere, anytime. Steve Jobs wanted something that had the simplicity and touch experience of an iPhone, but with a bigger screen, big enough for browsing the web, reading books, watching movies, or even doing professional work. The goal was to create something entirely new, not just a bigger phone or a weaker laptop, but a device with its own unique user experience. And that's how in 2010 the first iPad was introduced, a device with a 9.7-inch display just 13mm thick and weighing around 680 grams. It carried the same sleek, intuitive feel as the iPhone but offered more screen space for apps and content. Apple put a huge focus on its 10-hour battery life, making sure the iPad could always be by your side. From day one, it revolutionized digital reading, design, gaming, and even education. In its early ads, Apple pitched the iPad as easier than a laptop, more powerful than a phone, which quickly made it a fan favorite. But that was just the beginning. Every year, Apple introduced newer and better versions of the iPad, evolving it from a simple tablet into a powerful tool for design, filmmaking, learning, and even a laptop replacement. In this video, we're going to take a look at the evolution of the iPad, from the very first model to the latest version, and see how it has changed over the years. Stick around and let's get started.